Good morning, students. Students, today I am going to start chapter 3, exercise 3A. In this exercise, first question is classify the following rational numbers as positive or negative. So students, here some rational numbers are given. We have to mention that which number is positive rational number or which one is negative. So students, see here first part is minus 4 upon 9. Here numerator is negative and denominator is positive. So this rational number is negative rational number. In short, we write negative with minus sign, then with V. It is read as negative. It is negative rational number. Rn means rational number. B, minus 2 upon minus 9. Here we can cancel. We will write it minus 2 upon minus 9. This minus is cancelled with this minus. So now it is 2 upon 9. There is no minus sign neither in numerator nor in denominator. So it is positive rational number. Positive rational number. C, 1 upon minus 7. Again here numerator is positive, denominator is negative. There is minus sign, so it is negative rational number. D, it is 9 upon 99. There is no negative sign neither in numerator nor in denominator. So it will be positive rational number. Then E part, minus 13 minus 27. Again in minus 13 upon minus 27, this minus minus cancelled, then it is a positive rational number. Next, minus 31 upon 72. Here again there is minus sign, so it is a negative rational number. Its theory I have already explained you in the Zoom class. Come to question number 2. Represent the following rational numbers on a number line. In this question, we have to show the given rational number on a number line. Students, always remember one thing. On a number line, positive rational numbers lies to the right side of the 0 and negative rational numbers lie to the left side of the 0. See in your book. On a number line, every positive number lies to the right of 0 and every negative integer lies to the left of 0. Okay. So, to represent this minus 1 upon 5 on a number line, first what we will do? First we will draw a number line. You will draw this number line with the help of a scale and pencil. Then divide this number line into some parts, or we will put some marks at equal distance like this. We will put some marks, some points on the number line at equal distance. Then here we have to show negative rational number, and negative rational number, negative integers, negative rational number lie to the left side of the 0. Suppose I am taking 0 here, then start to write counting with the same denominator. Okay. This side positive rational number, we will start to write it like this: 1 upon 5, 2 upon 5, 3 upon 5, 4 upon 5, 5 upon 5. In the same way, left side it is minus 1 upon 5, it is minus 2 upon 5, minus 3 upon 5, minus 4 upon 5, minus 5 upon 5. Students, see, when numerator and denominator both becomes equal, minus 5 upon 5, it means 5 1 ja 5, 5 1 ja 5. This point will show minus 1. In the same way here 5 upon 5. 5 1 ja 5, 5 1 ja 5. It means this point will show plus 1. Now we have to show minus 1 upon 5. So here which point is showing minus 1 upon 5? This is minus 1 upon 5. We will make a circle including this point. Now it is 5 upon 7. Again draw a number line, then mark some points at equal distance. Like this. This is positive rational number, so it will lie to the right side of 0. Suppose I am writing 0 here. Okay, now count 7 part. I am telling here's other method, or I am telling same method. It is 5 upon 7. Start writing start to write counting with same denominator. We will start 1 upon 7, 2 upon 7, 3 upon 7, 4 upon 7, 5 upon 7, 6 upon 7, 7 upon 7. This is 7 upon 7. It means 7 1 ja 7, 7 1 ja 7. This point will show 1. Now we have to show 5 upon 7. This point is showing 5 upon 7. So we will make a circle including this point. Students, what we do, first you write 0. Then start to write counting starting from 1 with same denominator. If it is 6, we will write 1 upon 6, 2 upon 6, 3 upon 6, 4 upon 6, 5 upon 6, 6 upon 6, like this. If it is 9, we will write 1 upon 9, 2 upon 9, 3 upon 9, 4 upon 9, 5 upon 9, like this. Okay. Now come to next part, C. In C part, we have to show 7 upon 3. So, again we will draw a number line with the help of a scale and pencil. Do not draw this number line with pen. Then put some points on the number line at equal distance, like this. Now we have to show 7 upon 3, which is a positive rational number. Which is a positive rational number. So I will took 0 to this side. Now denominator is 3. We will start to write counting from 1 with denominator 3. We will write it 1 upon 3, then 2 upon 3, 3 upon 3, 4 upon 3, 5 upon 3, 6 upon 3, 6 upon 3, 7 upon 3, 8 upon 3, 9 upon 3. This side minus 1 upon 3, minus 2 upon 3. Now students, see first. This is 3 upon 3, 3 1 ja 3, 3 1 ja 3. It means this point will show 1. Now 6 upon 3, 3 1 ja 3, 3 2 ja 6. This point will show 2. This is 9 upon 3. 3 1 ja 3, 3 3 ja 9. This point will show 3. It means 0, 1, 2, 3. Now we have to show 7 upon 3. This point is 7 upon 3. We will make a circle. Next is minus 5 upon 4. Draw a number line. Put some points at equal distance. Like this. Now this time minus 5 upon 4. It is a negative rational number, and negative rational number will lie to the left side of 0. This time I will take 0 this side. Now here denominator is 4. We will start to write counting starting from 1. It will be minus 1 upon 4, minus 2 upon 4. Student, you write one rational number below the number line, 1 above the number line, then it will be easy. This is minus 3 upon 4. This is minus 4 upon 4. This is minus 5 upon 4. Minus 6 upon 4. Minus 7 upon 4. Minus 8 upon 4. Now we have to show minus 5 upon 4. Here 4 upon 4. 4 1 ja 4. 4 1 ja 4. It means this is minus 1. Now minus 8 upon 4. 4 1 ja 4. 4 2 ja 8. It is minus 2. We have to show minus 5 upon 4. This point will show minus 5 upon 4. Clear? Now do E and F part self. E and F part you will do self. Now come to question number 3rd. In 3rd question, write 2 equivalent rational numbers for each of the following. We have to write equivalent rational numbers. Already I have explained equivalent rational number here in the Zoom class, and I told you to write this definition also in the notebook. Whatever is underlined, you have to write in the notebook. Now come to the question. We have to write 2 equivalent rational numbers for 3 upon 5. So students, to write the equivalent rational number, we will multiply this 3 upon 5 with 2. 3 multiply 2 upon 5 multiply 2. Then multiply it by 3. 3 upon 5 into 3 into 3. Now this is 3 upon 5 is equal 3 2 ja 6 upon 5 2 ja 10. 3 3 ja 9 upon 5 3 ja 15. See, if we divide now this 2 3 ja 6, 2 5 ja 10, it is equal to 3 upon 5. 3 3 ja 9, 3 5 ja 15. Again it is equal to 3 upon 5. So to write equivalent rational number, we will multiply the given rational number with the same number in numerator and denominator both. See, minus 4 upon 7. We will do minus 4 upon 7 multiply by 2 equal minus 4 upon 7 multiply by 3. We will multiply in the numerator and denominator both with the same number. Now it will be minus 4 upon 7 equal 4 2 ja 8 minus 8 upon 7 2 ja 14 equal 4 3 ja 12 minus 12 upon 7 3 ja 21. See here, multiplying the numerator and denominator of the rational number by the same non-zero integer. To write equivalent rational number, we will multiply the numerator and denominator of the rational number by the same non-zero integer. Non-zero integer means we cannot multiply by 0. We will multiply the numerator and denominator with an integer other than 0. Or dividing the numerator and denominator of the rational number by the same non-zero rational number. By dividing also we can do. I will tell you. Now in the same way, 1 upon 11. We will multiply in numerator and denominator by 2 and 3. 1 upon 11. We can multiply any number. Suppose in this rational number I am multiplying by 4. 1 multiply 4 upon 11 multiply 4. 1 multiply 5 upon 11 multiply 5. Then it will be 1 upon 11. 4 1 ja 4 upon 44. 5 1 ja 5 upon 11 5 ja 55. These are also equivalent rational number. We can now if we divide it 4 1 ja 4, 4 1 ja 4, 4 1 ja 4, 1 upon 11. 5 1 ja 5, 5 1 ja 5, 5 1 ja 5. It is also 1 upon 11. Now do D self. You will do it self. Come to 12 upon 16. See, I am telling you it by dividing. 12 upon 16. We can divide 12 and 16 by 2. And we can divide this 12 upon 16 by 4 also. So our equivalent rational number will be 2 6 ja 12 upon 2 8 ja 16. 4 3 जा 12 upon 4 4 जा 16. So students, we can get equivalent rational number either by multiplying like this or by dividing this. Now it is minus 10 upon 50. See, if we divide minus 10 upon minus 50 by 5, we can divide it by 5, and we can also divide this rational number minus 10 upon 50 by 10 also. So it will be minus 10 upon minus 50 equal 5 2 ja 10 minus 2, 5 10 ja 50 minus 10. Then 10 1 ja 10 minus 1 upon 10 5 ja 50 minus 5. Okay. Now come to question number 4. Which of the following pairs represent the same rational number? Here two rational numbers are given. We have to check whether both these rational numbers are same. Same means again equivalent or not. So how can we check? To check whether given rational numbers are same or not, we will do cross multiply. Cross multiply means we will multiply this 2 with 54 and this 12 with 9. So we will write 2 multiply 54 and 12 multiply 9. Students, here I am writing numerator first. Here with 2 I am writing 54. So I have written 2 first, numerator. 2 into 54, then this numerator 12 into 9. When we multiply 2 into 54, 2 4 ja 8 and 2 5 ja 10. 9 2 ja 18 and 9 1 ja 9 and carry 1 10. Both the products are same. If both the products are same, then both the given rational numbers are same. We will write here, since 2 multiply 54 is equal 12 multiply 9, therefore the given rational numbers are same. Students, I have explained all these sums in the Zoom class also. Now come to next part, B part. Yes, fourth B part is minus 3 upon 7 and minus 12 upon 28. Again we will do cross multiply like this. So minus 3 will be multiplied by 28 and minus 12 will be multiplied by 7. Multiply this one, 3 8 ja 24, carry 2, 3 2 ja 6 and 2 8. It will be minus 84 and 12 7 ja 84. It will be also minus 84 because here one number to be multiplied is negative. Here and here also in both the cases. So it is minus 84 minus 84. Both the product are same. Then we will write again, since minus 3 multiply 28 is equal minus 12 multiply 7. Therefore the given rational numbers are same. Come to next part. Same this is. Again we will do cross multiply. It will be 3 multiply 22, then 9 multiply 11. Students, remember first you write numerator. Here I have written this numerator 3, then this denominator, then this numerator 9 and denominator. So 22 3 ja 66 and 11 9 ja 99. Both the product are same or not? These two products are not same. One is 66 and other is 99. So we will write, since 3 multiply 22 is not equal, like this. 9 multiply 11. Therefore the given rational numbers are not same. Next, here student, no, first is minus 2 upon 3 and other is 16 upon 24. See, one is negative. First rational number is negative rational number and second rational number is positive. If one is negative, other is positive, then how can they be equal? So these two rational numbers are not equal. We will write one of the given rational numbers is negative while other is positive. Therefore, the given rational numbers are not same. Next part, minus 6 upon minus 17 and 8 upon 51. Student, here we can cancel this minus with this minus, so it will be 6 upon 17 and then other is 8 upon 51. Now we will do cross multiply again. First we will write 6 into 51, then 8 into 17. Do multiply, 6 1 ja 6, 6 5 ja 30, then 17 8 ja 136. Are these two products same or different? Both the products are different. So we will write, since 6 into 51 is not equal 8 into 17, therefore the given rational numbers are not same. Now F part you will do self. So students, today I will do up to here. Remaining questions we will do in the next part. Okay students, thank you and have a nice day.